The perfect Tibetan momo has a delicate soft shell with juicy stuffing inside. This can be veg, non-veg, steamed, pan-fried and also soupy momos. Today I am going to make steamed Tibetan momo. Hello viewers, myself Shuparna, welcome to Simply Food. Before starting today's video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. So let's see the ingredients that we need to make this recipe. Minced chicken, chopped onion, chopped ginger, chopped garlic, chopped scallions, chopped coriander leaves, soy sauce and salt. First I'll make the momo stuffing. Into a mixing bowl, take 275 g of minced chicken, 2 medium-sized finely chopped onions, chopped ginger 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of chopped garlic, chopped coriander leaves, chopped scallions, 1½ tablespoon of dark soy sauce and salt to taste. Mix them nicely. The quantity of coriander leaves and scallions are about 1/4 cup. If you want to make veg momo, then add just cottage cheese or tofu along with some chopped cabbages. They're nicely mixed and now rest for just 10 to 15 minutes. Now make the momo. On a momo sheet or a flattened dough, take 1 spoonful of chicken mixture in the middle. Then apply water on the edges by using your finger. Now start to shape the momo. First, pinch from the middle of the side, then start to fold the right side of the sheet and patch the fold with the left side, but don't fold the opposite side. Do this as I'm doing here. Just follow me. It definitely needs lots of patience and careness. You can watch other momo recipes from my channel and where you can find momo dough recipe also. Enjoy this beautiful delicious combination on a rainy evening or on a cold night. Now time to steam the momos. So grease the steam pan with little bit of oil, then place the momos one by one. I was boiling the water for 10 minutes before placing the momos on the steamer pan. Steam for just 10 to 15 minutes. When they're done, it will be a little fluffy, and the foolproof method is just take one momo out and cut it open if they're done. Tibetan momo are ready to serve. Serve these hot momos with Tibetan hot sauce. This combination is just mind-blowing. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, to subscribe to my channel and share my cooking videos. I'll come back with a new recipe on next week for you, my lovely viewers. Thank you. Bye.